In 1915, during the Gallipoli campaign, a British battalion marched into a low, rolling mist.
It wasn't fog, it floated still flame. Dense, silent, alive. They walked into the cloud, and their shapes dissolved. Minutes passed. No voices, no gunfire, utterly nothing.
When the cloud rose, every man had vanished, without a sound.
Search teams found no trace, as if the earth had swallowed them whole.
Witnesses swore they saw it, a living cloud that rose, carrying men into the sky.
A century later, no one knows where they went.